Welcome back to Ingwa News. MLA Carlos Ferreira suspects Bastoda Panchayat of aiding illegal activities by permitting shops, granting licenses, and issuing AHN, EHN numbers to illegal buildings. He urges the Panchayat to act immediately.
26, I think 26 if I remember reading the last newspaper report. हांव फॉरेन सांगता हांव फॉलो अप करून घेना कितले इल्लीगल आहा थर्ड पार्टी कितले लीगल and illegal पासून आसपास.
So, but Bastora Panchayat is ready to take action on all the shops.
Bastora Panchayat had no option but to issue notice after the High Court gave a direction. I believe that the Bastora Panchayat maybe I'm having a strong suspicion hand in glove in these illegal activities. And I'm making this charge specifically because first you allow them to come up, then you allow them to become permanent, and then you give them licenses, and you even give them EHN numbers. When we had an inspection last time with Yashashwani, who is now the collector, she was a deputy collector. Because of this flooding, we had an inspection here. After that, to make a mockery of the entire thing, they started giving EHN numbers. You give EHN numbers to these structures which are totally illegal, and so definitely I believe they are hand in glove. I'm not sure if they are getting anything out of this or they are partners in this to get some commission or some hafta every month. I charge the Bastora Panchayat to take action. They should have done it suo moto. And once you have this, you allow them to remain for a long time. Then they come crying and saying, "Hame dondo effects zata, sagle zata." You allow people to come illegally and start the whole thing. You're spending money. You're giving them wrong hopes. And then they may be taking loans also to build up these things. How can it happen? Without their blessing?
Bastora Panchayat is responsible for all these things.
What?
Bastora Panchayat is responsible for all these things.
Is first responsible. I'm not saying only responsible. Because other authorities also are involved.
Yes.
Where's the Talati? Did the Talati make a report of the illegal land filling? Did the Talati make a report of the illegal land conversion? You understand it?
Yes.
So, but primary is the Bastora Panchayat. So it's at the entrance of Bastora. I can understand it was some corner, एक डोंगरात खंय आशिल्लो एक रानान आशिल्लो म्हूण कांय दिसलो ना म्हूण. I can forgive people for these things. In the mouth, every day is the root. सगळ्यांक. How can you not see?
Blessings are कोणाचे Bastora Panchayatiचेर?
I can't tell you who. Multiple आहात players थिंगा. ते downplay थिंगा. But High Court direction will have to be obeyed. No authority will be able to flout the High Court order.
वो एरिया आम्ही येणे येताना हांगा सगळे भरलेले आसता and people are also crossing with senior citizens, schools, all are getting delayed and सगळे उदकूय splash जाता and गाडयांकूय problem जाता for car also, for scooter also. Same problem we are having that side also, on the other side, opposite side of the road. Same problem, उदक सारखे भरता आणि गाडयांनी थोडे फाटी स्कूटरय लोटून वचचे पडटा. So the problem is here, no provision is made for this to go for the water. I hope that hotel fellow does something and makes a small drain for the water to go. So
main problem कितें उदक water logging आणि flooding जावपाचें ह्या एरियेक.
because सगळे भरून काढला आणि सगळे वयर काढला ना ताणी हायट मारल्या वय पण त्यांना ताणी हे रोड बांधताना हे करता त्यांना they should have made a provision, no, a drain for the water to go. So there's no provision. And also this Panchayat of Bastora is not taking any action also over here. No sign of that Bastora Sarpanch also. एक ही meeting है पूरी योचे हाल है, no. She doesn't come for any meeting. What is the use of having a Sarpanch like this?
She never comes to see.
She doesn't come to see, and especially in our Shelwada also we have so many problems. कोणाक पडलेले ना. Every month and every time we go for that meeting of that AGM, Gram Sabha, every time this issue is brought up of that next to that junction, there also this कोण action घ्या ना. कितले पाडी सांगले कोत्ता म्हणतात, but where no action is taken.
म्हणजे आश्वासन होतं.
होय, आश्वासन they only just tell.